Hello everyone, today we're making another episode on nature. Next episode is going to be the Mushroom Kingdom. Sorry for the last episode I said that the next one's going to be Mushroom Kingdom. But this time, I promise. Anyways, like I said, nature. You can see that there are gates and broken, and look at all that land. Used. Barely trees. Just lining. And as we look out, look how back the trees are. I know. Pretty sad. Well, you maybe can't see them, but it's only nothing but just trees. That's what I always tell you guys. Never, ever use just waste toilet paper. Back to you, Grandpa Toe.
Yes. Nature. Nature is I would say nature. Nature is the most finest thing that you can ever have. Nature can be beautiful, and nature is beautiful, but some people destroy it. Destroy it a lot. Now, nature would need your help to do a donation to it. And also, nature really help other people in Africa to survive using crops and everything. Nature is a part of us to survive, and a part of us to make actually our homes better. Plants and stuff is not just for decorated. And why do people have gardens? Gardens are part of nature, and whoever likes nature would love a garden there because it helps you plant things that are healthy and really good for your body, like tomatoes, carrots, and lastly but not least, even crops to even help you to eat. That's why it was so important for other people back then to have crops. Back to you, Mario.
Okay. Anyway, we can use nature for lots of many stuff. Different kinds too. One time my dad said that
we're gonna take your hair down. You go ahead and get a shower.
we was about to kill like an animal. And first of all, I was like, yeah, let's do it. But then I found out the deer had babies, and they were trying to take care of them. Soon I thought to myself, I had to tell my dad. Once I said that, then there you go. That stopped. And now the deer is still alive today. Sometimes we think about killing animals. But once you see what they really want or what they really do, you have to change your mind. I know it's hard sometimes to let animals go. Oh, I just want the skin so bad. All the others. Well, it's not about you. It's about the animals. That's why we want you to change. To stop killing animals and just using it for the fur. Because you know what you're taking? You're taking their lives just for the skin. You guys would just go ahead and just take off the skin and leave them like that, and then sooner or later the blood falls off. And then they can't survive. Look.
Because you or did you?
You cannot take people's lives or animals' lives just for their fur. That's why we want you to help us to agree to do not, take away their fur, to not take their lives away just for their fur.
And guys, thank you for watching For Nature. And when we come back on our last episode for nature, we will talk about only plants, and then the last one for animals. Goodbye.
And then we'll do the Lego. And then we'll do Mushroom Kingdom movie. Also, if you agree, put a comment below about it and say that you agree. Please help us to save animals.